एग्जाम्स आने वाले हैं and you are facing difficulty in fractions? No problem. Today we will do the part B of fractions topic. In previous class part A, we have learned what are fractions, types of fractions, that is proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fractions. And we have learnt about like and unlike fractions. And today we will move on the equivalent fractions and we will do the comparing of fractions. So let's move on the second part, that is equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions क्या होते हैं? As the name suggests, equivalent means equal. Some fractions look different but are equal. देख के तो अलग अलग हैं but actually they are equal. Let me give you an example. Like 2 upon 4. If I multiply both the numerator and denominator with the same number, that is 3 or any other number, we will get a fraction again. That is 3 2s are 6 and 4 3s are 12. This will give you a equivalent fractions to the previous one. Like if we multiply or divide the numerator and denominator both by the same number, we will get the equivalent fractions. Let me do you one more example so that you will get the topic clearly. If I take an example like 5 upon 4 and 3 upon 2. So we will get 15 upon 12. That is 15 upon 12 is equals to 5 upon 4. Let me take you one more example. That is 3 upon 7. If we multiply 5 on the numerator and denominator both, we will get the fraction, that is 15 upon 35. So 15 upon 35 and 3 upon 7 both are equal fractions. I hope you get it. Next, we will learn about comparing fractions. What are comparing fractions? Comparing fractions means finding which fraction is greater, smaller or equal. As we know that this is a sign of greater, this is a sign of equals to, and this is a sign of smaller, right? So we have two categories when the denominators are same. Let's take an example like 5 upon 2 and 7 upon 2. If you have checked it, you must have seen that your denominators are same. So we can say that we have to check which numerator is bigger. Means if 7 is bigger, so we can say that 7 upon 2 is bigger one. Okay? The next one. Next rule is for the different denominators. Like if we have two denominators are different, like 3 upon 5 and 7 upon 2. In that case, we have to make the denominator same. How can we make the denominator same? We have to find a number in a table of 5 in which comes in a table of 2 also. Like if we multiply first fraction with 2 in numerator and denominator both sides. Similarly, if we multiply numerator and denominator of the second fraction with 5, we will get the same denominators like 3 2s are 6 and 5 2s are 10. 7 5s are 35 and 5 2s are 10. Now we have same denominators. So what we do? We just check the numerator, that is 35 is bigger. So we can say that this fraction is bigger. So our answer will be 3 by 5 is smaller than 7 by 2. So this is your answer. Next, we will learn the next topic, that is in which the numerators are same. If the numerators are same, like we can say that, when fractions have the same numerators, the fraction with the smaller denominator is greater. Like 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 7. So the fraction with the smaller denominator is greater. The fraction with the smaller denominator is greater. Let's do one more example, like 5 upon 10 and 5 upon 17. So here the fraction with the greater denominator is smaller. Okay? Next case. When we have different numerators and at the same time we have different denominators also. So what we do? We make the denominators same. Like 3 upon 7 and 5 upon 14. So what we do? We just make the denominator same by multiplying 2 in the numerator and denominator of the first fraction. Because when we multiply 7 with 2, we will get 14. So we don't need any multiplication in the second fraction. So 3 2s are 6 and 7 2s are 14. Again we have a number 5 upon 14. So which one is bigger? The number with the bigger numerator. I hope you understand it. Right? Now we will do the next part, that is revision. So what we have learned today? We have learned that if we have same denominators, we just check the numerator. The numerator is bigger, our fraction is bigger. In case 2, we have learned if the numerator and numerators are same and denominators are different. So what will we do? If the numerator is greater, the denominator is greater, is the fraction smaller. Like 3 upon 4 and 3 upon 8. In this case, the bigger denominator will have smaller number, right? In third case, what we have learned, we have to make the denominator same, then compare. Like we have 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 5. So we have to make the denominators same first by multiplying 3 by 5 and 5 by 3. This makes 15 as a denominator, like 5 2s are 10 upon 15 and 9 upon 15. Now, which one is bigger? This one is bigger. Now, we can do it diagonally also. 3 upon 4 and 2 by 5. We just cross multiply it. Like 5 3s are 15 and 4 2s are 8. Which one is bigger? This one. So we can say that 3 upon 4 is bigger than 2 upon 5. I hope you understand the topic. Thank you so much and continue watching my channel for the part B, for the part C. Thank you so much.